this time we're gonna go against that vulture. So, yep, it's time for war. So I'm gonna just get the Jester's arrow, you know, Jester's arrow. I got my bow. Oh yeah, we going to war, boys. Hold up. Get this goofy out of here, bro. But like I said, we going to war, boys. Yeah, speed me up. So yeah, so just speed up me going to war. Money. I think the money is leaving. Okay, where's the vulture? Where's this vulture? Where's this dang vulture? No, I'm not losing all my HP to this guy. What is that? Is that a? Oh, it's a. Oh, okay, I gotta kill you. No, why would I even go close? Just. Dog, I'm never getting just the arrows ever again. It's a vulture! And now when I run out of arrows, when I find the it's good. Oh, that's camping. Bro, no, we gotta come back. I can't do this. We gotta come back, bro. I can't fight it right now. I gotta come back later. Okay, I'm getting. Dang, how do I make those fire arrows? I guess I'm gonna have to, go cutting. Are you serious? I'm cutting down the trees. Okay. I died right next to the lake and he was right there. Yeah, this is where my death was. Come on, vulture. Come on, vulture. I think I just gotta stay here for a while. Cause I saw the vulture sleeping. Bro, there's so many new animals. It's a scorpion. Oh, vulture. Where are you, vulture? Wow. Dang, bro. There it is. So we gotta sneak up on it. Which arrows am I? Give me. Okay. There's two of them. I'm for sniping skills. Snake. There's one in the water. I'm getting cooked out here. One of them down. Oh. KO. Get out of my land, bro. Get sniped.